For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. BJP and Congress have intensified their attacks against each other over the Facebook row. The swirling controversy between the two political parties was fueled by a report in the US media. A report in the Wall Street Journal said Facebook India failed to apply hate speech rules to certain BJP politicians. Ever since, war of words between the two political parties have intensified, with Congress demanding a probe by a joint parliamentary committee. Union Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri is the new entrant to join the spar. Hardeep Singh Puri made a fierce attack against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He took to Twitter to lambast Rahul Gandhi over his comments on BJP and the social media platform Facebook. From calling Congress a death chamber of dissent to headless party, he said it all. BJP chief JP Nadda also put out a series of tweets attacking Congress and particularly Rahul Gandhi. Hardeep Singh Puri said that it was a duty of a person to find out the truth rather than blindly believing in what has been written. He further added that before making statements on freedom of expression, Rahul Gandhi should have looked back 70 years ago.
Irony just died laughing. Before issuing statements on freedom of expression, democratic values and ethos of secular coexistence, a little looking back at last 70 years would have helped Rahul Gandhi. His party has been a death chamber of dissent, right to expression and internal democracy.
He also said that Congress must look into its internal affairs as over 100 Congress leaders are distressed.
The latest example is Sanjay Jha's statement that around 100 Congress leaders distressed at the state of affairs within the party have written a letter to Congress President asking for change in political leadership and transparent elections in CWC.
Referring to the situation in Rajasthan, Puri called Congress a headless party which shows a door to anyone who dissents.
The headless party is in the midst of a civil war. Anyone who dissents is shown the door. In fact, I had predicted an existential crisis for the Congress party in two of my books way back in 2018 itself.
Hardeep Singh Puri and JP Nadda posted a series of tweets against Congress, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi.
Your family's dubious legacy includes appropriating a permanent position in PM-NRF and then diverting money from PM-NRF into your family trusts. You and your mother also took money from the Chinese to hurt our national interest. Can anyone stoop lower?
Amidst the political spar, Ankhi Das, Facebook's director in India, has filed a police complaint in New Delhi. In her complaint, Ankhi Das said that she has been receiving violent threats to her life on social media platforms. The Delhi police said that they have registered the case and it is being investigated by the Cyber Forensic Lab and Cyber Prevention Awareness and Detection Center.